So, Brittney Griner was sentenced to 9 years in a Russian prison. Okay, first off, it's messed up. Were there some political chess moves at play? Possibly. Given the timing, likely. But let's not overlook the fact that the charge is just. We have to be knowledgeable of the laws when we're traveling. A mistake, please. I believe Iman Shumpert made a mistake because he had a clip with no gun. But now he's facing 2 years for having 6 ounces of marijuana. And this is in Dallas, in America. So why are people saying it's not right? She made a mistake. It's only hashish oil. Why? Because it's illegal in Russia. Hell, it's illegal in half the US. Don't be hypocritical. I believe she'll be freed. They'll swap her for some Russian prisoner, although Biden might make her wait until November. It is an election year. BG, when you get out, ditch the QWERTY keyboard community and the feminists because they were not caping for you. You know who was? NBA players. Yeah, the same ones they're blaming now for not doing enough for you. The same ones who you and a few of your co-workers said you were better than and should be earning as much as, if not more than. See, women, understand who really has your back. It's your men. You see, right now, we're just way back because you're not acting right. You're disrespectful and entitled. But you see this as you can do for yourself. Well, go ahead. We'll be here when you have your epic fail. The problem is we may not want you then. Because the honest truth is, men don't need women. Let's do better. Peace.